Hello Ride On people, here is my quick review of the KLIM Induction Summer Ventilated Glove. Okay, the gloves come in this kind of bag, got them directly from KLIM and they cost $129. That's what the labelling looks like that they come in. So these gloves are kind of a premium item really at $129. You can certainly buy cheaper summer gloves. In fact, I'm going to do a quick separate review of my new Harley Davidson ones, which are considerably less money. What can I tell you about them? Well, firstly, they look trick, I think. They look really smart in this white colourway with the black contrast and the grey palms. I like this carbon fibre knuckle protector. Normally I'm not a great fan of that in most gloves. I find that they're not well padded or stitched underneath and they start digging into your knuckles, and after a while they can become quite painful. In terms of sizing, I used an online sizing chart where they get to measure around this circumference of your hand to give you a size indicator, and in that I came up large, but in actual fact these are actually a 2XL, and I find that they're a perfect fit for me. First thing I notice when putting them on is they are extremely comfortable. They fit me like a glove, and I really like the fit and finish and feel of them. They've got some nice touches about them. There's extra padding here on the palm, and there's some like Kevlar type material here for sliding, because obviously you're going to put your hand down first should you fall off the bike. And the perforations not underneath, it's purely on top. It's everywhere that looks kind of white. Basically it's perforated leather and flows the hot air away from the hand. Now, wearing them indoors, I actually felt like they'd be quite warm. It's very hot here at the moment in Georgia, and I thought I'd really suffer out and about, but I did about a 70-mile ride yesterday and it was over 90 degrees, and I was surprised you could actually feel the heat flowing away from them. When I got to my destination, which I did in one hit, when I went and took my glove off at the end of it, I didn't have any sweaty palms or sweaty hands at all. So bearing in mind I'm riding a GSA with hand guards, so that's stopping a lot of the airflow anyway. I was pretty impressed with that. So it's a nice looking glove. I'll probably have to do a couple of stills to show you what they actually look like, because the camera doesn't always pick up all the levels of details. But the fit and finish and quality is very good, as it should be for a glove at this kind of price, really, for a summer glove. One nice feature here, if the camera will pick it up, is the visor wipe. So it's got a little rubber insert on this finger. You can just wipe your visor if you get caught out in the rain. These little silvery bits on each of the fingers are reflective, which is a nice touch. And of course you've got the Velcro strap to get a nice snug tightness around the wrist. Now, I quite like wearing summer gloves in early spring and late fall with heated grips on. Sometimes you get more feel through the glove, but you know, you're still warm with heated grips and the hand guards. Additionally, if the sun comes out and it gets a bit warm, you're glad you've got a lighter, more comfortable glove to wear. Anyway, I thought they were a bit pricey, but you know, I thought they looked as cool as. Pretty trick. $125, not the cheapest glove you can buy, but if you've got the money and you like the looks, I wholeheartedly recommend it. And that's been my ride-on review of the KLIM Summer Induction Glove. I hope you like that. If you like reviews like this and talking all things bikes, then please subscribe if you haven't done already. Very much appreciate your time, and have a good one. Speak to you soon. Oh, one last thing, don't forget, ride often, ride carefully, ride on.